If you want an elite, lean and toned physique, not just bulky, but sculpted, defined, and built the smart way, stay right here. It's Portfy here, and today I'm breaking down 4 shoulder and arm exercises that will carve that bolder shoulder, cut arm look everyone's chasing. No fluff, no wasted reps, just proven movements done with real mind to muscle connection. Let's get straight into it. First up, the Incline Dumbbell Overhead Press, one of the most underrated builders for the upper chest to shoulder shelf look. 12 reps, slow, controlled, every single rep. Don't rush this. I want you to feel the muscle working, not just move the weight, squeeze at the top, control the negative, and keep your form locked in from rep 1 to rep 12. Quality over speed every time. Once you hit 12, rest for 1 minute and then head straight into your next set. Repeat this for 3 to 4 sets depending on your strength level. If you are newer to training, stick to 3 solid sets. If you are more advanced, push for that 4th. Shoulders warmed up, good. Let's move to the next one. Exercise number 2, seated waiter curls. This one isolates the biceps in a way that most people completely overlook, and it's a game changer for that peak toned arm definition. 12 reps, slow, controlled, mind to muscle connection in every rep. Feel the stretch at the bottom, feel the squeeze at the top. This is not about ego lifting, it's about quality contractions that actually build the physique you're after. Rest for 1 minute, recharge, reset, and get back into it. Repeat for 3 to 4 sets based on your strength level. Let's keep that intensity going. Next up, shoulders again. Exercise 3, Dumbbell Lateral Raises. The exercise that gives you that wide, capped shoulder look that makes your waist appear smaller and your whole physique more athletic. 12 reps, gentle, slow rhythmic movement. Perform the exercise in proper form and maintain that mind to muscle connection. No swinging, no momentum. Just clean, controlled reps that target the side delts directly. Repeat for 3 to 4 sets based on your strength level. And during your rest, grab your electrolytes. Stay hydrated, stay forward, keep performing at your best. One more exercise to finish this off strong. Last but not least, dumbbell alternating bicep curls. The finisher that will leave your arms fully pumped and primed for growth. 15 reps per side. Alternate, stay controlled, stay focused. Repeat for 3 to 4 sets based on your fitness level. This is where you dig deep. The last exercise is where the real physique building happens. And that's it. 4 exercises to help you build the elite, lean, toned physique, all with proper form and real mind to muscle connection. If you found this workout valuable, smash that like button and drop a comment below telling me what workouts you want to see next on the channel. Upper body, lower body, full physique breakdown, you name it, I'll build it. And if you're serious about transforming your physique the right way, subscribe, because this channel is all about elite, lean, sustainable fitness routines that actually work. I'm Portfy. Train smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.